So a great thing on the new Tesla Model Y, this super cool light bar, but check out the folding seats. They're really fast and the tailgate is fast. That's always been a pet peeve of mine when your tailgate is slow. Look how fast these fold down. Nice and smooth, and they're really fast on the way back up too, which is just really convenient. Loving how quiet this is, how smooth the drive is, suspension, so much better. And look-wise, this thing just absolutely rocks. You can actually snag this on Toro if you're in the Charlotte area. And the front end on that, a lot more cyber trucky. The seat comfort, phenomenal. And the sound system, the Cybertruck sound system is literally world class. I think they pulled a lot of that into the new Model Y because the sound system is so much better than in the previous version. And then tons of legroom. I'm like 6'2", 6'3". I've got plenty of room in the back, and then you've got tons of storage space as well. Incredible panoramic roof. Let's give it another nice look around. You got the little laser light there. Good looking.